Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucy and with a new video, and today I'm going to be having another video for my Boxycharm. I just really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.
Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you pay $25 a month for the base box and you get 5 full-size products on that box. They also have 2 more subscriptions. One of them is the premium box, which you pay $35 for that one and you get 7 full-size products. And they also have Boxyluxe, which Boxyluxe happens every 3 months. And the price for this box is $50 and you get 8 full-size products. So I haven't opened my box yet, so this is gonna be like a first impression.
¿Viste? ¿Viste, Lucy? Así como lo hago yo. Sin tijeras. Así como lo hago yo, ¿eh?
So this is what the box looks like once you open it. The box always comes with a little card like this, and it tells you the theme for this month and the products that you got and the prices for them. It also tells you the number of the variation that you got. The first item that I got is this I Am a Woman's palette by Seattle, London, and the retail price for this palette is $45. This palette is honestly really pretty. I'm in love with this palette. Next item that I got is this NARS Blush. The retails for $30. I love the shade that I got. The packaging is really good too. So far, I'm loving my box. My third item that I got is this Brow Styler Eyebrow Pencil and Powder Duo by Benefit Cosmetics. This item retails for $34. My fourth item that I got is this this lip serum by I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, skincare, and this item retails for $122. I know that this brand is really pricey, but last time I think I got a primer and I'm honestly in love with that primer. So I'm really happy that I actually got a lip serum. My fifth item is this Moxie lash. The retails for $90 and is the Sassy Luxe bundle. So this is the mini liquid magnetic eyeliner. Next is this swabs. So this is to remove the magnetic eyeliner. And these are the eyelashes. And basically I also got this free bag. My sixth item that I got is this foaming face cleanser by the brand First Aid Beauty. The retails for $22. My seventh item that I got is this brightening eye balm. The retails for $32 and it's by Tula Skincare. And lastly, my eighth product that I got is this hand wash by Smith French Dublin. The retails for $25. So the total value for this Boxyluxe was $400, and I'm honestly in love with this box. So you guys, this is it for the video. I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.